Today, we will be learning about
area cutouts.
My name is Vivian Trin.
Priscilla Gomez.
Vina Hang,
And Ana Maria Garcia.
and our special guest, Donald Trump. Before we get started, let's go over some of the main concepts for the lesson.
The first concept we're going over is what is area. Area is a measurement of space inside a closed shape. An example is a 3x3 square. The area of this square is 9 centimeters squared.
Wait, how exactly did you get 9 centimeters squared?
We will go over that in the next concept.
Okay. We're now going to go over area formulas. The area formula for a parallelogram is base times height. The area formula for a triangle is half times base times height. The area formula for a circle is pi r squared. Find r by getting half of the diameter, which is r equals d over 2. To find the area for the trapezoid, it's base 1 plus base 2 over 2 times height.
The third concept we'll be going over is what is pi. Pi is an infinite number, and when finding the area of our circle, we will use 3.14. Note, you'll need to know how to subtract and multiply.
What if you don't know how to subtract?
Then you need to go back to kindergarten.
Oh.
Example problem number 1. Task. Find the area of the shaded part. The equation to find the shaded part is A total equals A shaded minus A unshaded. We will first find the area of the shaded square. So we know that the formula for a square is base times height. The base of this larger square is 12 centimeters and the height is 12 centimeters. When we multiply that, we get 144 centimeters squared.
Wait a minute. Why do you square the answer?
We square the answer because area is in square unit. We
Oh.
will now find the area for the unshaded square. So the formula for a square is base times height. We know the base of the unshaded square is 8 centimeters, and then the height of the unshaded square is 5 centimeters. We will multiply that together, which gets us an answer of 40 centimeters squared. We will now take the area of the shaded part and subtract it from the unshaded part. When we subtract, it gets us an answer of 104 centimeters squared. So the area of the shaded part is 104 centimeters squared.
Example number 2. The equation to find the area of the shaded part is A total equals the area of the shaded part minus the area of the triangle. The formula to find the area of a circle is pi radius squared.
Wait, what does pi mean again?
Pi is approximately 3.14.
Oh, okay, just good.
And so that would equal 3.14 times 2.5 centimeters times 2.5 centimeters, which equals to 3.14 times 6.25 centimeters squared. And that would equal to 19.625 centimeters squared. And the formula to find the area of a triangle is half times base times height. And so that would be half times the base of the triangle, which is 5 centimeters, times the height of the triangle, which is 2.5 centimeters. And that would equal to half times 12.5 centimeters squared, which equals to 6.25 centimeters squared. The area total equals the area of the circle minus the area of a triangle, which would be 19.625 centimeters squared minus 6.25 centimeters squared, which equals 13.375 centimeters squared. The area of the shaded part is 13.375 centimeters squared.
The equation to find the area of the shaded part is area total equals area of the rectangle minus area of the triangle. The formula to find the area of the rectangle is base times height. The base of the rectangle is 7 centimeters times the height, which is 9 centimeters, which equals 63 centimeters squared. The formula to find the area of a triangle is half times base times height. The measurements of the triangle are 2 centimeters and 3 centimeters. So we're going to multiply half times 2 centimeters times 3 centimeters, which gives us 3 centimeters squared. Now we will be subtracting the triangle cutout from the rectangle. So the formula we will be using for this is area total equals area of the rectangle minus area of the triangle, which equals 63 centimeters squared minus 3 centimeters squared, which equals 60 centimeters squared. The area of the shaded part is 60 centimeters squared.
So now you guys will be solving your own practice problems. Remember that this problem is similar to example problem number 1. And remember to subtract correctly and add the units of measurement. Pause now and solve. Now that you have finished practice problem number 1, check your answers. If you didn't get it, then try again. Now this is practice problem number 2. Remember that the height is not the same as the side length. And please pause this video and solve this correctly. Now that you have finished practice problem number 2, go ahead and check your answers. Thanks for listening to our lesson, and special thanks to Donald Trump. Well, thanks guys for this amazing lesson. Now I'm gonna go use area cutouts to build my wall. Whoa!
No!